Okay, so for today, I'm starting a series called Get Ready With Me, but instead of outfit or fit check, it's mostly about the gears that I will be bringing. So Get Ready With Me Everyday Carry Edition. So yeah. So I'm going to feature the Alpaca Bravo Tote. So for those who doesn't know, Alpaca is a brand for bags and international siya. But fortunately, si Urban Traveler Company, sila yung nagsusupply nito sa Philippines. So, if you want to see more about this bag, you can check my Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Doon ko ipopost. So, follow my social media accounts also. After ko mag-ayos, ako lang maghatid kay Pam sa office and then mag-shoot tayo sa labas. And then, yun nga, shoot natin tong bag. Okay, so, let's go.
Okay, so actually pauwi na. Hindi ako masyado nakapag-video gamit yung FX3 kasi medyo naninibago pa ako kasi yun nga, first time ko ulit mag-vlog outside. Normally kasi pag travel lang ako nag-vlog, so hindi pa ako sanay dito sa Philippines. Anyway, so na-post ko na yung video for today. Yung sabi ko kanina, nag-start ako ng series about Get Ready With Me pero EDC edition. So, as you can see, we are in BGC. Wala kasi akong alam na place to shoot and tumambay with sa mga coffee shops to edit. So, ito lang yung alam kong place. And, yeah, na-miss ko yung area ng office ko kasi dito rin banda yan. So, feeling ko na sa office lang din ako. Are driving going to church. Ayun. Hey, what's up YouTube? Currently outside with Mr. Dan Boxing.
Hello!
So ayun, nag-shoot kami nung Wonder na Provoke 21 liter. So I'll be posting that on my Instagram account. If you're not following me there yet, make sure to follow my Instagram account. So links down below. So yeah, medyo tirik pa yung araw. Yan. Palipas ko muna ng onte pero kailangan ko ng professional videographer. Kaya nandito si Mr. Dan Boxing. Morning, another day. So it's August 14 and nandito ako sa Uptown area. So there. pinatid ko si Pam. So, ngayon nga, August 14. Chinek ko sa Henry's yung camera na gusto kong bilhin. Kodak Hector. Pero 3.5 but sa online 2.6 lang. So, I'll be purchasing it na lang sa online kasi sayang din yung 900. Kita ko na. 35.
35.
Anong color available ng 35?
Never, pwede naman iba pa.
So right now I'm going to Starbucks. Edit tayo ulit ng mga videos natin. And ayun, after ko mag-edit, sunduin ko ulit si Pam. We'll go to Rockwell naman. So yeah, join with me today. Sana hindi po na kamusta. Baka
Offline ba?
okay, so hi everyone. So it's been few days already from my last video. So today is August 22. So hindi tayo naka-video for some days na. But right now, in this part of the video, I just wanted to share with you guys my life update. Gusto ko siyang ma-share sa inyo kasi kasama kayo initially on this journey sa pagko-content creation ko. And hopefully, kasama ko pa rin kayo on my next journey. So, eto na nga. Ang life update ko is that nag-resign na ako with my 9 to 5 job or my corporate work because I will be focusing more on doing content creation, full-time vlogger, and yeah, I just wanted really to pursue this passion or this content creation journey. Hopefully, kasama ko kayo in this new journey. I'm really excited in this new season in my life and really excited with the things that I can do pa being a content creator and making more contents for you guys. I'm really excited on this new season and hopefully you are also. So ayun, please support me by subscribing to my channel if you're not yet a subscriber. You can also follow my other social media accounts like my Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok kasi doon ko naman ina-upload yung different types of content creation na ginagawa ko. So in Instagram, I'll be focusing more on camera, gears, accessories, and bags related pa rin sa cameras. While my Facebook and TikTok will be focusing on mobile phones, unboxing, different ways or tips and tricks on how to use the phone's camera, and how to maximize it. So yun yung differentiation niya. And then here in YouTube, basically I will be doing vlogs. So not daily vlogs naman. Hindi ko pa yata kaya yon. Pero eto, I'm starting a week in a life or weeks in a life type of vlog. And yeah, let's see kung anong mangyari. But yeah, I just wanted to share with you my life update. Okay, so hanggang dito ko na lang muna tatapusin yung video. So hanggang dito na lang muna uli guys. Talk to you soon.